Dear students, in previous lecture we studied about the equality in different fields. We also took example of Kanta Devi, Ansari and Om Prakash Valmiki, each showing its view on the equality. Today we will study the next topic of chapter 1 in civics, which is recognizing dignity. Dignity means honor or respect. When persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. Violated means break. Dignity is the right of a person to be valued and respected for their own sake and to be treated ethically, means morally good or correct manner. Student, we studied in previous part 2, how the dignity of both Om Prakash Valmiki and the Ansari was violated because of the way in which they were treated. They do not deserve to be treated like this. They deserve the same respect and dignity as anyone else. Our next topic is equality in Indian democracy. The Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. This means every individual in the country, including male and female, persons from all castes, religions, tribes, educational and economic background are recognized as equal. The recognition of equality includes the following provision in the Constitution. I want to explain you in Hindi. हम लोग अब पढ़ेंगे कि किस तरह से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने एवरी पर्सन्स के लिए, सारे लोगों के लिए इक्वलिटी रिकग्निशन के लिए क्या क्या प्रोविजंस बने हैं हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में. ऑल ऑफ यू नो एवरी पर्सन इज इक्वल बिफोर लॉ. नो पर्सन can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place of birth or whether they are female or male. Every person has access to all public places. सारे लोग फ्री हैं किसी भी पब्लिक प्लेस पे जाने के लिए, such as playground, hotels, shops, markets, temple. Do you know, student, have you remember in early period the lower caste people were not allowed to go in temple. They were also not allowed to fetch water from the same wells. Untouchability has been abolished. भेदभाव कि जितने भी ये डिफरेंसेस के सारे जो अपर कास्ट ने बनाए थे वो सारे को एबॉलिश कर दिया गया, खत्म कर दिया गया. किसके द्वारा? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के द्वारा. द टू वेज इन विच द गवर्नमेंट हैज ट्राइड टू इम्प्लीमेंट द इक्वलिटी दैट इज गारंटेड इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज नंबर 1, फर्स्ट थ्रू लॉ, कानून बना के. नंबर 2, second, through different government programs and schemes. There are several laws in India that protect every person's right to be treated equally. Student, this paragraph shows the importance of equality as the government amended some laws and passed schemes and programs to using equality in our society. I will see you in next lecture. Thanks.